Are you tired of managing your type 2 diabetes and constantly worrying about what foods to avoid? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will uncover the top 11 foods to avoid as a type 2 diabetic, plus a bonus item that you need to know about. By learning more about these foods, you can make informed choices and take control of your health. So grab a notepad, sit back, and get ready to make a positive change in your life. 1. Sugar-sweetened beverages. We all know that sugary drinks are bad for our health, but did you know they can be especially harmful for people with type 2 diabetes? Consuming high sugar beverages can cause sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, making it difficult to manage your condition. Additionally, these drinks are often loaded with empty calories, which can contribute to weight gain, a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. So, next time you're thirsty, reach for water, unsweetened tea, or other sugar-free alternatives instead. 2. White bread and pasta. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread and pasta, have a high glycemic index, meaning they can quickly raise your blood sugar levels. This can lead to blood sugar fluctuations and make it harder to manage your diabetes. Opt for whole grain alternatives instead, which are higher in fiber and can help regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. 3. Fruit juice. While fruit juice may seem like a healthy choice, it can actually be detrimental for people with type 2 diabetes. Fruit juices are often high in sugar and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. This can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, making it difficult to maintain control over your diabetes. Stick to whole fruits and enjoy the added benefits of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 4. Flavored yogurt. Although yogurt can be a healthy snack, flavored varieties often contain high amounts of added sugar. This can lead to blood sugar spikes and make it more challenging to manage your type 2 diabetes. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and add your own toppings like nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit for a delicious and diabetes-friendly treat. 5. Trans fats. Found in foods like margarine, baked goods, and some packaged snacks, trans fats can increase your risk of heart disease, a common complication for people with diabetes. Avoiding trans fats can help improve your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. Always check food labels for hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils, which are indicators of trans fats. 6. Fried foods. Fried foods are typically high in unhealthy fats and calories, which can contribute to weight gain and make it more difficult to manage your diabetes. Instead of frying, try healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming to preserve the nutritional value of your food and avoid excess fat intake. 7. High-fat meats. Consuming high-fat meats like fatty cuts of beef, pork, and processed meats can lead to weight gain and higher cholesterol levels, increasing your risk of heart disease. Opt for lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, or fish to help manage your diabetes and maintain a healthy weight. 8. Sugary cereals. Breakfast cereals can be a quick and convenient meal, but many are loaded with added sugars, which can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Instead, choose whole grain cereals with minimal added sugars or opt for a protein-rich breakfast like eggs or Greek yogurt to start your day on the right foot. 9. Candy and sweets. It may be tempting to indulge in candy, cookies, and other sweet treats, but these foods can cause rapid blood sugar spikes and should be avoided by people with type 2 diabetes. If you're craving something sweet, try a small piece of dark chocolate or a fruit-based dessert to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your blood sugar levels. 10. Alcohol. Alcohol can interfere with your blood sugar levels and make it more difficult to manage your diabetes. Consuming alcohol can also cause weight gain and increase your risk of complications such as nerve damage and heart disease. If you do choose to drink, do so in moderation and always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. 11. Canned vegetables with added sodium. Canned vegetables may seem like a convenient option, but they often contain high levels of added sodium, which can increase your risk of high blood pressure, a common issue for people with diabetes. Opt for fresh or frozen vegetables without added salt, or rinse canned vegetables thoroughly to reduce sodium content. 12. Artificial sweeteners. While artificial sweeteners may seem like a good alternative to sugar, they can have negative effects on your gut health and may even lead to weight gain. It's important to use these sweeteners in moderation and consider other natural alternatives like stevia or erythritol. Potential drawbacks. It's important to remember that everyone's dietary needs are different, and what may work for one person may not work for another. Always consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet to ensure you are making the best choices for your individual needs. Now that you know the top 11 foods to avoid as a type 2 diabetic, plus a bonus item, you are one step closer to taking control of your health and managing your diabetes effectively. Remember to make informed choices, consult with your healthcare provider, and focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.